Hello friends, welcome to Arsh's Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the Orin Pro solution and Intellect Design and Birla Soft. Why I am clearly mentioning these three names only means, so friends, these companies majorly providing services for banking and financial services. So coming weeks will be the results for banking and financial bodies. So if these companies are going to post good results, we are going to see a good movement in these three stocks. I will technically also explain you uh, where will be the our stop loss. First one is intellectual design. So one thing we have to take is majorly stop loss. So see here, it's like one of the downtrend. So wait a minute. So this is one of the major move. See, so from here we drawn a trend line which is touching to this. So keep this as a stop loss. That means 693. So 690 as stop loss. 670 is a very good stop loss, but 685 make it as a stop loss. Who entering now? Why? Because it is showing a shortfall. That's why I mentioned here to take in this way only. Bullish shortfall. So recent previous low is wait a minute. Previous low is at 671, but now the low is 690 and moved upside. So this is called bullish shortfall. So next share, next stock, that means company Orin Pro. So see here also. This trend line makes you a good up movement and near breakout. So see, this gonna be like a breakout region for the stock from long days. It is moving in this range. So if you observe here, take this as a exact level. See, it continuously up from 90 rupees. We following this from 90 rupees, I think so, even below, but continuous up, and here unable to break through these levels, and again fallen, and again unable to make this, again fallen, again moved up but unable to make, again fallen. Now I am expecting it is going to break through upper side. So friends, three times attempted but not favorable, but this time we are going to see the share will hit its new highs 240 above in coming months. So track it closely, mark my words friends. And another one which we discussed is Birla Soft, right? So, so Birla Soft. Clearly it is moving in a range bound, and again this is also like cup and handle pattern forming. See here, cup and again handle, and 400 is its what you called major level. So even it went near to 400 also recent time. So if I mentioned so see here, I kept like 6 months. So after a big rally, it is trying to break this 400 mark. So every time it is coming near to this 400 and moving up. So see here, 400. So this 400 is a major support. Every time it is moving up and down, up and down, up and down. But this time it make a bullish shortfall. So see here, this time means it came up to here only 417, but when you observe previous all days, it even came below to 417 after highs. So this after high again up to 417 only, the buyers came and taking this stock to higher levels. That means this is called bullish. So bullish shortfall. So it from here we can expect more upside. So 6 months, 7 months consolidation breakout will give you more up. So that is what I mean to say. So take this 440 as another resistance level. If you see good volumes with breakout 440 level, we are going to see more high. Thank you.